I'm AKJ. Today I'll tell you something about happiness and success and how we can achieve happiness in our life and which can bring success in our life. You know, happiness is the highest level of success. If you are happy, it will give you everything. Happiness comes from within, not from outside. Because all power is within you. You can do anything and everything if you wish so. Nothing now. Second, nothing is worth doing if it does not give you success, does not give you happiness. So you should not attempt to do any such thing which do not give you any happiness. And thirdly, always be yourself. Do not depend on others. Because if you are confident on you, if you have self-confidence, you can attempt anything that will give positive result. You can listen to everybody, but do your work on yourself. What is your mindset, what is your brain says. Actually, now always be positive, think positive. Without any positive thought, you cannot do anything. And while remaining positive, you should associate it with positive people, because if you are associated with toxic people, they cannot give you any positive affirmation, positive thought, so you cannot do any correct thing. Next is patience is power. If you want to do something, you must be patient, because all great things come after doing lot of work, lot of perseverance, lot of effort, lot of patience. So if you don't have patience, don't do any such work, because it will not give you anything. Moreover, if you are happy, if you want to be happy, and if you feel that happiness should come quickly, then you decide your goals. What is your primary goal? Your goal may be financial dependency, your goal may be achieving a higher post, your goal may be raising a family. So you fix your goal, and fixing your goal and target, you work on this, on that goal. Then and then only you can go to that direction. Otherwise, you will be out of track. You cannot come back, because you cannot go to your direction. So you must fix your target, then try to do all such things. Never stop learning. Whatever comes in your way while doing anything, you look at it and find out if there is anything important in it, then you take it. Otherwise, leave it. Then one more thing, that while doing all such things, you should not think that it will be done tomorrow. You should not postpone that thing tomorrow. Live at present. Procrastination will not help you anything. Second, again, while living at present, don't think about any past action, past deed, because it will not take you anywhere. Live at present, and if you live at present successfully, happily, it will give future happiness. Don't brood over past deed and don't think about future. If your present is perfect, your future will be perfect one. Then live with integrity. Integrity, if you have perfect integrity, you do not be afraid of anything, because your life is crystal clear. You should not be afraid of anything, because your whole transparency is there, because you have nothing to hide to anybody. Success is not an accidental one. It has come, or it has to be earned through earnest desire, complete dedications, perseverance, full 100% contribution, full knowledge, then experience and support from all other previous personalities, then you can go ahead with this particular thing. Above all, while doing any such thing, if you want your success, few things you have to keep in mind. You must be strong. You have strong belief. Live at present and think that you are you and it is you only that can do anything. Be moral, be brave, be strong, and you have nice thing, you are strong enough, everything to do it, and no need to looking behind forward. Have patience, energy, and future dedication, zeal, and affirmative courage, infinite patience, so that great things will come and it will give you happiness. But one thing you must remember in mind, whatever you do, you must be grateful to the Almighty, all the universe, who has given you this body. We are all part and parcel of this universe. So you must show gratitude to that. When you do this thing, you show your gratitude. Say that I am grateful to you. I am grateful to you that you have given me this body. You have given me this energy. You have given me this thing. You have given me this life. You have given me everything. I am happy in all directions. Think positive. It will give you everything. And one more thing, you should remember at last, life is short. Nobody knows when we'll go. Life is short, so that we have to do such things. You should keep a legacy that you should be remembered after your death. Because nobody knows and nobody wants to die even. But everybody has to die. And everybody comes here alone and everybody will go alone without taking any material things. So do such things which give you happiness, peace, and it also helps the society as a whole. Thank you very much.